and today I'm going to cook a simple soda bread. We've only got a few ingredients. Strong white flour. I actually don't have any strong white flour because there's none in the shop at the moment, but so I'm just using plain flour, which will be fine. Wholemeal flour, bread soda, buttermilk and rapeseed oil, and that's all you need. I have a weighing scale, electric weighing scale. When you turn that on, it goes to 0. When you put the bowl on top, you don't want to weigh the bowl, so you press the tare button. In this case, it's the tare button. Give it a second and it goes back to 0. So I'll show you that there. It's on 0. I am not going to actually put the sieve on top, and you can see there it is weighing the sieve. So if I press the tare button, give it a second, and it's back at 0. So now I will only be weighing whatever I put into that sieve. While I have the sieve out, I am going to put in my bread soda, because the bread soda can be a little bit lumpy inside. So for that I need two teaspoons. Next I need the brown flour, or the coarse wholemeal flour. Again, I need 250 grams of that, but I'm not going to sieve it this time because it just won't go through. So we've sieved it. It's enough just to sieve the white flour. So again, I'm just going to show you back here. I will press the tare button and that will go to 0. I hope that's on the screen there. That goes back to 0. So now I am just weighing the brown flour. So it's 250 grams again of this. Okay, so just below the 400 mark. Yeah. Of oil. I have rapeseed oil here, but you can use sunflower oil, you could use olive oil, just a little bit of oil to go in on top of that. There it is. Right, so everything is out there. So with a little bit of flour on my hands, this will help the dough not to stick to my hands so much. So I just want to gently knead it. It's not stuck together, it's very loose there. I want to gently knead it, but not for too long, because if you knead it for too long, it just tightens up really too tight, and you end up with a really heavy bread. So you just want to really just want to stick it together. That's it there. That's nearly it all stuck together. Okay, so that's just a very gentle bringing it together, and I'm going to knead it now a couple of times. Again, put the flour back in my hands, get my fingers underneath it here, lift up and push down with the palm of my hand. Do it again, fingers underneath to lift it up, and then using the palm of my hand push it down. Again, fingers underneath, lift it up, push it down. Another couple of times. Very simple movement. What you're doing is you're bringing it all together here. All these pouches are coming together, making a pouch at this side. This will be the bottom. And while you're doing that, it's giving you a nice smooth top to your dough. That's it. Just going to push those bits in. Don't need to do much more than that. If you do, as I said, it just tighten it up too much. So that's lovely. The next thing I need to get is my baking tray. Dust that with a little bit of flour. Put my dough on top. Dust the top with a little bit of flour. Get my knife. See the angle there. So I'm going to cut a fairly deep cut. Nearly down to the bottom. And that's it. It is ready to go into the oven. Sounds hollow to me. So I'm going to pop it onto the wire rack to cool, and you need to leave it a while before you cut it, but it looks and it smells